Hi there folks, it's UFO Bob. And do you know that apples have no fat, no sodium, and no cholesterol? And that's a good reason for us to make baked apples today. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. While the oven is heating, slice 3 apples in half. Then, using a paring knife, scoop out the core and the seeds. I use Gala apples because of their size and they retain their shape after baking. But you can use anything. You can use Granny Smith, Fuji, you name it, you use it. Next, place 5 tablespoons of salted butter into the microwave for about 50 seconds. Once softened, mix the butter together with 1/2 cup of oatmeal, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of raisins. After thoroughly mixing everything together, fill the apples with the buttery mixture. Place the apples in the baking dish, then add a cup of water into the baking dish and slide the apples into the oven and bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. When they're done baking, let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Then you can serve your apples plain or with toppings like sliced bananas or whipped cream or any other topping that you prefer. Well, there you have it, another wonderful recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, give a thumbs up, and hey, maybe subscribe. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to join like-minded people, come join us on Discord. The link's in the description box below. Until then, this is UFO Bob, out.